Ebusian for ha Ghana 7 TV GH, mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Anta, eye dagombani. Ye rabaumia, eye mamprusini. Sunyina ye free Southern Ghana no. Enti ahono na ma wo say one. You don't have education. You don't even know what goes up north there. Say you were different tribes no motete north ho. Yan form mom. They are not one tribe. Sani ayenso ye wa ase ha ayenso so yemfa ye mom ye one tribe no. Enti already obi a wo si ukura PhD. Sa knowledge we just general geographical knowledge of Ghana. Enu so wuni. And next say we tribal bigot sebi. Na fe yasen aba the third one na me pese me busa wo. Anye bia MPP mu. Ye po bia the finance minister. Ono stick a odwin say the need bia ni suban niema waye ne wa kire ne ho wo party yi mu yi. Deputy minister no kura adum bi na ba aye o. Na wonya ni paboni ni a wo na nado amena so wetimi anya 3 post. Me Ellen Daako manya baako. Ye nyina so ne party for wonya party ni nkyɛn me. Wetin free MPP mu nkyɛn me. Me Nana was the first operations director of this party. The friend Nana Odro Kwatin. Will last 2 years at almost 98 years. Me UP, me a third generation UP. And so Nana do abai menya post. Eti ye come where so musu. No mu tietiemu say somebody has not been fair to them. Me Ellen Daako say by now come inside them three so me issue. But me nya because me inside we have times and seasons. Nana no bre na menya bi aba me amre menya bi. Nyame adom me ami wuye. Nyame so bedu mi minwu menyi nsame nana. Enti ba wo de nana do abene so. Wunya NEIP CEO who did 4 years. The NEIP, how they say? Maslock CEO who did 4 years. And Crawford wuni omo ye adwuma including wa deputy me ami ni aba afiakoto and some omo ka fa wo ho. Omo ka mo de omo kwa afiakoto page so na mo nko kan nsem esi wo Maslock ho wo as CEO abrabo abo ho. Ofri Maslock eni ye o deputy trade minister. Ufri ho eni ye o deputy finance minister enti won kwa MPP nya odan. When we say Crawford mu di yera Canada pon achi omo nyina they have the sense of entitlement. Say party no omo kwa no mu ye nipa wom. Wo boss na wudi na chi no no mu for 8 years not board so. Ghana gas we di MP na yire ni na busuafo nyina didi amin say tam me Ama Daako mi nam ha. Mo din say mo ye Ghana for chen me. Mo ye MPP for chen me ana. Many thousands of MPP for ayensu ye adwuma ye adwuma kese ma MPP ba power. Mo ye nipa chen yen. Mo nye nipa nchen yen. Sene me kan yen it is times na do obebo nkuro ho. Obebo nkuro. A whole president ayato abama no wa take the decision. Utira ye decision na affect wanya bi. Enne de wo yi Nana do boni aye. Nana do da na say. Nipa bonefo Nana do ni omo ye adwuma no ka ho bi. Ni Nana do ye ma ni nyina besinne ontimi nyi Nana do aya o tena ho aka say papa panyimu an 80 something year old man a former president of Ghana sebi o onim nyansa. Nanya sa how then do you say Dr. Bawumia no ye vice president? Munyina Nana do kan na munyina mudi so Dr. Bawumia na call ye ko ka che Nana do say onfo obi fufuro. Nana do ami anta no hu nadwuma. No nim ni ami na anta aya ma no. Muni ba bi oni ni free. Adentina mo ye nipa bone for sa. Adentina wo de it has to be you. It has to be you. It has to be you. Wonkwa me mukasa nyina sa camp for we mukasa nyina ye me. Yentina kro yentina amaimu yentina krom yentina kuomu enye me. It's about all of us. It's for all of us. Nyamia dumu manya bi. Adentina mo ye nipa bone for sa. Stika wo ye nipa bone ni me catch your point blank me kan sie. We ye kaso be a hypocrite. We one. We ye tribal bigot. We say you're ungrateful. We are very, very ungrateful. Very, very ungrateful. spiteful because for 8 years nobody me 3 positions. Say make an ebinuma who party mu position omo anya bi. Ebinum ye adwuma the MPP ba power omo anhu power nipo. Aneti na wote saa. Aneti ya nipa boni ni saa. Ene na asi. Hwe Dr. Bawumia ne de oya nyame ani o. Mi amini Jennifer Queen o kan asem bi o se MPP mu wo hu. Ye wo spirit bi wo party nim. At every point in time, spirit ne ye na dwen se onipa wei eni ene ne kwa upa akosoro bra fom mini kwa asase ase ko wiem sa nipa na ne ene de ko sa spirit ne tisi Dr. Etisi Yewura Kufuor so ni enkurofo ye nyina spirit na MPP spirit no edi Yewura Kufuor achi spirit na wie anu Kufuor wie no se na ado na mene ne ko na spirit ni tisi Yewura na ado mu mo ko 3 times mo pe na ado mre unim se na enkurofo kafa no unim se enkurofo kafa no still spirit ni se na ado na mene ne ko nyame adom na ado wie na admen sa spirit no MPP spirit na ties Dr. Bawumia etu pa akosoro bra fom mini butu Dr. Bawumia obedi MPP anim obeba be president of this country. The last time me kan wo ha muni ne ye ma mo a mo ma yenye ne ntem na Dr. Bawumia ni ne mra ne ntem na onye ne obeya ma Ghana entem na onkofie fefefe na mo amaka no manya chance aba because mo delay 20 years Dr. Bawumia kura walking stick kura obedi president of this country. The earlier the better. MPP san yetie MPP yen spirit no san yetie ye wo spirit bi wo party we mu a etu sinipa ba akoso a ese yehu ye ne ntem na nipa na di awie na okọ na spirit na pay the next candidate. Eti wo kasa we nkosi hwe delegate omo ya adwen awie kakra mi di mani 2 year hu even in Greater Accra no omo adwen awie ni o win ni ye ne ekọ. I'm done.
All right.
How is enough?
Everything is fine. I won't say everything is fine. When you are in the north here, certainly life is not good. Especially when we have John Dramani Mahama as our president and
your own brother.
you see, somebody will say your brother you can have a brother from your own family, but you can also have a better brother from a different region, and certainly John Dramani Mahama is not one of the good brother we have here.
Okay.
Yes.
You have 5 minutes. Let's hear you.
All right. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and let me say a very big thank you to you, and then a happy New Year to the MPP fraternity, everybody in the MPP. Yes. Let me just start on sticker aspect. From day one, sticker has been somebody that has been a thorn on the flesh of we the Northerners. When I say we the Northerners, I'm a proud North.
Are the media now say what's happening? Is it me or I can't hear him? Can you hear me, please? You can hear me. Let me see someone type yes. If you can hear me. If you can hear me, let me see yes in the comment section. Okay. All right, thank you. So I think the issue is with my brother. Sorry for unfortunate. Yeah. Hey, Uncle Moses, good evening. It is a
Yeah, good evening. Pretty good. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Our foreign minister has given your country an ultimatum to return Maduro, or else what will happen will not be nice. So you have 5 minutes, Moses. You're welcome.
That is not going to hold water. I think it's just normal that democratically governed countries that also perceive themselves to be weak will tend to make statements to kind of, show solidarity. But but first of all, you need to understand that NDC is a socialist democrat, so they tend to support regimes that are socialist, like those of Cuba, Russia, China, that tends to, though China is communist, they kind of have, they
But you
relate
can
more
support
than.
by the tone. You can support by the tone. It matters.
Yes. Well, by the end of the day, it's not going to. What they usually say publicly is different from what they say in the rooms. I don't see it as a serious danger to Ghana, or they taking it serious because they are not going to take us seriously. But Ablakwa in particular needs to be careful. They can kill his political career in a matter of time, especially how he handles Israel, the relationship with Israel, and the United States. He needs to be very careful. These people, if you need to use wisdom to navigate. Yes, of course, we know that sometimes the United States is a bully, but you need to use wisdom as a leader to navigate the diplomatic issues like this. So I have not paid attention to that letter in particular. I've not read it because I
maybe
knew
that's why you're not alarmed.
it was not going to make any sense. But to some extent, the same United Nations report on Venezuela shows that the country was a route for drugs and human trafficking and all that. So if any member that claims to, be part of the United Nations should not recognize such a regime as a legitimate government. And if you are in the United States, you don't want your relatives or your children or anybody to be on drugs or anything. And if you look at the scale of which they bring drugs to this country is staggering. And they manufacture those drugs specifically for here because do they have the money to do it? They don't do it themselves. They sell it for the American dollars, and they use it for to live like kings whilst people are dying here on overdose. And I work in a baby older hospital, so I know what I'm talking about. People come in, people are overdosing every day, young kids, some are teens, and a whole lot of stuff. So it's really a battle that they are fighting. And Trump is not somebody that is coming to promise that I'm going to do this or not do it. He's going to do it, and he has the balls to execute it. If you look at what the democracy are reacting, how they are reacting to the capture of Maduro is hypocritical, because over the years they have been talking about it, and he is the only person that has the balls to do it. And once he has done it, they started criticizing.
The UK statement was clear that they don't care about the end of Maduro, however
Yes.
it ends. They don't care. Yeah.
So the European Union, the United Kingdom, US, and many countries do not recognize Maduro's presidency as legitimate. So
why
it's not
is
new.
Okupeto
It's not something that is new.
Mahama
It's been
fighting
there.
and issuing threats and ultimatums?
It's not going. It doesn't carry any weight.
It carries weight.
Even with China,
It carries weight.
It doesn't.
No, you see, diplomatically.
Yeah, yes, of course, it does have diplomatic effects in Ghana. Yeah. How are you?
That's what I mean.
Okay. It does. Yes, of course, it can put us into trouble if we are going to negotiate for certain stuff. But
even visa-wise for our students.
But my point is that do you think that Marco Rubio have time to read a statement from Ablakwa?
That's why he has an ambassador here. An ambassador to
He doesn't have time for us. So
Right.
if you look at even Russia and China, their initial reaction was with constraint.
Yeah.
It was after 24 hours that they were hitting back. But even with that, what are they going to do? It's just a show of, lip service. They are not going to actually do anything to support their allies. So I think it sends a clear message to those African countries that think that if they align themselves with Russia or China, they have some form of, they are delusional. they will not come out to support any country militarily. They are not going to do it. First of all, their equipment are not battle tested. The recent Operation Sindor of India against Pakistan saw significant losses of the Chinese-made jets, and their radars couldn't detect anything. So they don't have any battle-tested weaponry to confront a superpower like the United States. China will not do it. They are geographically they are disadvantaged. Even to invade Taiwan they are going to sustain heavy loss. There's no military scenario that favors them if Japan and United States will intervene. So China is not in a good position to invade any foreign country. Because they don't have good relationship with Philippines, they don't have good relationship with Japan, they don't have good relationship with India. They just the surface, but even Russians do not trust them because of its espionage. So they will not do it, and Russia cannot cross the Atlantic to come and defend Venezuela. They are not going to do it, even with Ukraine as their neighbors. Look at how they are struggling for how many years. We all thought that they were going to capture Ukraine in 72 hours. The war has been dragging for 3 years now. If you take nukes from Russia, they are like the paper tiger, just like how Trump described them. So there's no two ways about that. Nobody can do them anything. US can capture any president they want if they want to do it. And I just want African countries to know that there's nothing like sovereignty. They should forget. If you don't have nukes for deterrence, there's nothing like sovereignty. I don't know if you have read my recent article I wrote about the illusion of sovereignty. There's nothing like that. If you don't have nukes, you don't have the economic power to maybe impose sanctions on any country. You don't have any nuclear weapons for any deterrence. Then what are you talking about? You can't really do anything. A statement on paper doesn't do anything. You are rather just disadvantaging yourself or straining your relationship with the US. Yeah.
Thank you, Moses. And that's my brother Moses from the United States of America. Thanks for coming through. Happy New Year to you and the family. Yeah, God Factor, good evening.
Good evening. Now, let me take this opportunity to say a happy new year to all your viewers and your good self. And then I also say that we are still trying to find sticker in the word lakes of economics. I have now reached the 10,000 one, and his name is still missing. So the work is very difficult, but I will manage to find him somewhere. All right. Now let me go straight to this. If anybody thinks that the U.S. Secretary of State will not waste the time to read letters or statement from member state, then that person is really not on top of issues. He doesn't understand what Trump government is. If you really understand how Trump government is, even TikTok and social media comments against the US, they read it, and not a statement that is coming from a member state of the United Nations. So anybody who thinks that way, he should reconsider his thought and then come back again. Probably is not all that aware and then well vested in the Trump government. Now let's go into this. We live in Ghana. When successive governments are not doing well, we complain. Now we are all part of. Oh, Chimum.
So bet to me and I know Chimami. We say your viewers, most of our viewers,
oh, all right. So I'm Petria, Yebeka. Say, we are members, we are part of the, we are member state of the United Nations. Now, you say, Bia, who saw your country, Ketuan Intino. Say, Negana for Case, say country, Busun. na opeso ye ades na say bully pulpit na ode yi kan ye emfa ode ya niema ayentna se ni hu kwan say ye kan dia, then it becomes very hypocritical. A man for Kika and Venezuela. I am telling you, that when we talk about drug-related crimes, not drug issues, US is far, far ahead of drug-related crimes to that of Venezuela, unless the person who is talking is not a researcher. Now, if US has anything to protect its borders, not to allow drugs to come there, they should do it. My brother, let me quickly take you to the law, because that is the more reason why I'm here. And then let's go to let's quickly go to articles 39 and 42 of the UN Charter, chapter 7. The Security Council may determine a threat to peace, authorize military actions by member states. So this is what the Security Council can do. Now listen, without Security Council's approval, military action is illegal even if claimed to be humanitarian or law enforcement. Number 3, sovereignty and non-intervention. That is Article 2.1 and Article 2.7. All states are legally equal. No state may intervene in another state internal affairs. This protects one, government, even unpopular ones, borders, political independence. Now, the 4th one is what is very important to me. Head of state protection. Under customary international law, certain heads of state have personal immunity. They cannot be arrested or abducted by foreign state while in office. This applies even if other states accuse them of crimes. Those crimes are even serious. But we have exceptions, and the exceptions usually involve international court or not unilateral actions. Enti ayame wan say obi baba be jina say no justify what the US has done. What the US has done is an affront to democracy. US is not doing that to protect anybody but their own interest. The reason why I am saying this is that is the US not part of the UN? Is the US not part of the G8? Is the US not part of the Security Council? If they think that there is something that they have to do, why did they not take to the Security Council for Security Council to sanction? Now let me come to Okudjatu. Everybody here know how I have had some form of opposition as far as Okudjatu.
Oh, we lost God Factor. Okay.
Can I
We lost him.
respond? Can I respond to that?
No, let's leave it. Moses, let's leave it. Okay, let's leave it. I mean, what happened to God Factor? I wasn't too happy with some of the things, but let's leave it. Ejekum, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah. I don't know.
good evening.
Is it on network or something? God Factor? Can you check? Yeah. Good evening. 5 minutes. Ejekum.
Yeah, I think Mr. Sona, their God Pata Kano, na ebi mo ha mene ne yage na ebi mo ha so mene ne nyage. Na me de Venezuela asem ya abeto ho yi na ye bo ho aboboy. But you person me bisa asem kakra o. Ecuador ene Paraguay. I think say so mo nyina wo South America me bo. Na Ecuador and Paraguay, Omar released statement supporting or against of US operation. What is Omar released statement in support and I say in against? I hope
No,
say
I think so far only Colombia for na can say me.
Exactly.
I don't
Exactly.
drop God Factor. Now see my dropping. Me and me Santi here.
Exactly.
Yeah, Ejekum, go ahead.
So if say Paraguay and Uruguay on Venezuela, I want the same continent.
Yes, I think one of
Nah.
your what do you call it, moderators dropped me because I did not drop.
Oh, maybe it could be your network also. Let you could finish, then you wrap. Then you
Okay.
finish up.
It's me import of me way ni na say ebe kwa kwesi abla kwa de so. But your Africa country ben na release statement in support and as in against.
I've not seen any
It's
aside maybe